Good afternoon and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Scott Stanley, and today I'd like to show you November 721 Juliet Papa, a low-time 2002 A36 Bonanza. Let's take a look. November 721 Juliet Papa has the Continental IO550B 300 horsepower engine, 715 hours since new. It also has a Hartzell 3-blade hot prop, 1170 hours since overhaul. With a cruise speed of 170 to 175 knots and 74 gallons of usable fuel, you'll have 800 nautical miles of range. The paint on November 721 Juliet Papa is in excellent condition. It's Matterhorn white overall with blue and gold metallic stripes. One thing people love about the A36 Bonanza is the large double cargo door. It allows you to take advantage of the 1,028 pounds of useful load. It's currently configured in club seating. You can spin the middle row around forward so everyone faces forward, or you can easily remove the back row with flipping up a bar, pulling a pin, no tools needed. Come on in and let's take a look at the interior of November 721 Juliet Papa. It's in excellent condition. The leather seats, sidewalls, and headliner are all in great condition. I'm 6'2" and have plenty of room, headroom, legroom. The executive writing desk is a nice place when you're cruising in the back to have a book or enjoy something you're reading. The G&D tinted windows also help keep the cabin cool along with the air conditioning. November 721 Juliet Papa has a nice IFR panel to include a Garmin GNS 530 WAAS GPS Navcom, Garmin GNS 430 WAAS GPS Navcom, PS Engineering 7000 audio panel, Garmin 345 transponder with ADSB in and out traffic, subscription-free weather, a WX500 Stormscope displayed on the 530-430, King KCS 55 slaved HSI, King KFC 225 Autopilot with flight director and yaw down. Some other features you'll enjoy are Rosen sun visors, air conditioning, co-pilot brakes, JPI EDM 800 engine monitor, dual push-to-talk switches, dual Glideslope indicators, tinted inserts, LED landing and taxi lights, super soundproofing, strobe system, control wheel map lights, and a bottom beacon. If you're in the market for a good condition, low-time A36 Bonanza with features like excellent exterior paint, good condition interior, LED lighting, air conditioning, then give us a call or come visit us in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm Scott Stanley with Carolina Aircraft. Have a good day and thank you for looking at 721 Juliet Papa.